By Artur Tomala, Mobile Writer, Tech Advisor, February 4, 2025. Samsung has recently unveiled its latest flagship phones for 2025, the Galaxy S25 series. However, rumors about their successors, the Galaxy S26 series, are already emerging. Here's everything we know so far, including the release date, price, and specs. Release date. If Samsung follows its usual schedule, we can expect the Galaxy S26 series to launch in early 2026, likely in January or February. This aligns with the release windows of previous S-series flagships such as Galaxy S25 January 2025, Galaxy S25 Plus January 2025, Galaxy S25 Ultra January 2025, Galaxy S24 January 2024, Galaxy S24 Plus January 2024, Galaxy S24 Ultra January 2024. It is expected that Samsung may discontinue the standard Galaxy S model after the S25 series, leaving only the Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26 Ultra in 2026. Price. Pricing for the Galaxy S26 series remains speculative at this stage. However, a slight increase in prices compared to the S25 series is likely due to rising component costs, ongoing inflation, and the inclusion of advanced technologies. Here are the prices for the Galaxy S25 series as a reference. Galaxy S25 128GB, $799/$799.99. Galaxy S25 Plus 256GB, $999/$999.99. Galaxy S25 Ultra 256GB, $1249/$1299.99. Specs and features. Despite being far from its expected launch, plenty of rumors about the Galaxy S26 series have already surfaced. Performance. Samsung may prioritize using its own Exynos processors in the S26 series, potentially relying heavily on the upcoming Exynos 2600. However, it's unclear if this would include North America, which has exclusively used Snapdragon chipsets in recent years. Cameras. The S26 Ultra may feature a 200MP periscope telephoto camera, up from 50MP on the S25 Ultra. However, the front-facing camera might be less impressive, featuring an under-display camera UDC with potentially mediocre image quality. Battery and charging. Silicon-carbon battery technology is a potential contender for the S26 series, promising higher energy density, improved battery life, and faster charging speeds. Software. The S26 series is expected to launch with Android 16 and Samsung's custom One UI 8. Samsung is likely to continue its promise of 7 years of OS and security updates for all Galaxy S26 phones.